expert on how to deal with a new vasectomy. We're all going to learn something with line-by-line translations by Victor, but we'll start him off with a little bit of applause.
Hello there. Hi and welcome to all of you middle-aged parents who are trying to learn how to stop your families. Yes. We're so happy that you could join us here in Minnesota in a small place we like to call Vasectomy Hall. Yeah, this is where we do all our vasectomy talks, and we have a very special guest lecturer for you today, all the way from Romania. Let's please welcome Lacha Miklache. Hey, here she is. Vasectomies can be fun.
Pero they will do it.
First thing you do is you pull out your junk.
Bevrila konde besonri patinekleta.
And then you tie on it a little tourniquet and stretch it up really far so it's tight. And the doctor's gonna pull the tourniquet even farther so it really hurts. Yeah. Sometimes people scream things like, "Hey, it's on my balls, stop!" Sometimes it's helpful to do a little dance and sing to make yourself feel better and say, "Oh, it's on my vasectomy penis. It hurts so bad and I'm not gonna have children. It's terrible." I don't think that was, what was the last part? Oh, and then they grab the balls.
Blackout.